and welcome everyone. My name is Niels de Jong and I'm an independent mortgage advisor in the Netherlands. Today I'll be telling you more about the process of buying a house in the Netherlands. Let's go. So this is more or less how the process of buying a house in the Netherlands looks like. First up, you will start with the mortgage orientation. You will get to know what your possibilities are, how much you can borrow, and what your monthly fees will be. And if it suits your situation, of course. You can do this by going to a big bank, or you can go to an independent mortgage advisor. The big difference is that a bank can only offer their own products, and an independent mortgage advisor can offer you the same products, but also from a lot of different lenders. In the Netherlands, there are over 35 different mortgage lenders out there. So, yeah, this will probably cost you less interest than a big bank will offer you. Once you know what you can do, you can start looking for houses. And you can do this by yourself by making an appointment with the sellers, or you get the help of a real estate agent. The real estate agent will guide you through the visits and will also help you to negotiate the offer. If you want to make an offer, you can also add some clauses to your offer. So, for example, a financial clause. So if you cannot get a mortgage for a certain amount, you can still cancel the purchase contract without any consequences. If you do not add these clauses and you don't want to buy or you cannot buy the property, then you will have to pay a penalty. And the penalty is normally 10% of the purchase price, so it can be really costly. You can also add a condition where an expert will visit your house for a technical inspection, and if there are a lot of renovation needs to be done, you can also discuss this afterward. If your offer got accepted, the purchase contract will be made up, and in the purchase contract will state the date that you will receive the keys, when the financial clause will end, when you need to set a bank guarantee, but those are all things for later on. If the purchase contract is signed or if the offer got accepted, you will start off with the mortgage application, or someone will do it for you, of course, and also the financial advice will start. So what will happen if you pass away, or what if you get disabled? All those things will be added in the advice as well, of course. For the mortgage application, you will need to provide a lot of documents, but someone will help you with this, of course. If the mortgage got accepted, then you can go to the notary to receive the keys on the transfer date stated in the purchase contract, of course. If you want to know more about applying for a mortgage, what possibilities are in your specific situation, please go to the website www.homeloan.nl, and here you can make an appointment directly in my agenda, so we will speak further about your situation. You can also send me a message or leave a comment down below. Thank you in advance. Goodbye.